Builders, and here with me today I have our prototype design of a wall section framing bench. So our driving concern between development and design of this project was how unsustainable it is on workers to produce a wall section in current methods of framing. Typically it's done on the ground, there's a lot of bending, approaching, it's hard on their knees, it's hard on their back, and as we term it here, this is unsustainable. So as you can see here, I've already begun mocking up a typical 16-inch on center wall section. With our design, we have built-in markings for 16-inch on center placement of studs. You never have to pull your tape out to measure these, so it makes it quick and efficient for standard construction. Here I've got two removable pegs. I'll put them in. They act as vertical supports for when this bench rotates. They're removable so that if a stud ever falls where these pegs go, there's no issue with assembly. We're using just standard bar clamps for safety. Put this one up here on the side. It's easier to access here during rotation versus having it strictly on the top. So we have a removable peg here. It's a pin for safety lock. Operates, we have two lift supports. These lift supports aid in raising and lowering the tabletop. It provides, as we say, support, assistance. It also limits how quickly it can lift or fall. This way, we reduce the chance of something getting hurt or bench getting damaged. As well, on the side here, we have a block, an angled block that functions as a stop. So no matter what, even if these lift supports fail, it'll never rotate beyond its design function. Pin goes back in, safety. We work on it in this vertical position. As you can see, upright in the vertical position. When it was horizontal, I was able to reach both ends easily. Now I can reach the rest of the wall section. I can frame in any window or door openings that I need to, headers, sills. And in this position now I can remove our second bar clamp out of the way. And I can easily stand the wall section up. From this position, it's easy to remove. I don't need 4 or 5 guys to pick this up. 2 will do. Something that's small I can probably do on my own. Position, with the safety pin, rotate back down. Ease, doesn't slam down. Pin back in, good to go. So thank you. We would like to thank all of our support we had during this process from our technicians, professors, team at Bayside Builders, especially Thomas, our contact there. We greatly enjoyed this project and we'd love to continue it. Thank you.